When thinking of food from Spain, tapas, cured meats, chorizo, and famous Spanish stews most likely come to mind. Less likely are delectable veggie dishes. Prepare to broaden your horizons. This roast squash, manchego, and honey paprika dressing is both familiar and yet not. You have likely indulged in dishes with these same ingredients, but it's unlikely they have been joined in quite the same way. This recipe takes some of the most mouthwatering flavors found in nature and fuses them together for an unbelievable dish that you will not soon forget. With your first bite, you will be anxious to share this delectable discovery with both friends and strangers. This recipe calls for ACORN squash, which has a sweet, nutty flavor and can be found at farmers markets and grocery stores. It can be stored for up to a month in a cool, dry location. If you want to up the adventure quotient of this dish, experiment with different members of the winter squash family, such as pumpkin, butternut squash, or calabaza. Measure for measure. Anaheim peppers are a mild variety of chili peppers. The addition of this pepper to your dish will add just a touch of spice that blends perfectly with the earthiness of the squash. If Anaheim peppers are not readily available, poblano peppers, banana peppers, and other mild green chilies are good substitutes. Manchego cheese is a sharp, hard cheese made from sheep's milk and gives this dish an earthy, nutty flavor. If you want to experiment with other cheeses or have trouble finding this in your local supermarket, you can substitute Parmesan, Romano, or very sharp white English cheddar. You will have a dish that will delight your taste buds and make you eager to explore other exotic dishes of the world. Get your passport ready. You're on your way.